Precipitation through HTS. We have too many metal ions in the solution, generally like Mn2 plus, Zn2 plus, like some heavy metal ions. We have to precipitate them. So these are we are using selective precipitation. Selective precipitation PPT. By using this process, we are able to separate all these the metal ions. In this process, selective precipitation means the ion which one have less Ksp, that's going to be less soluble. So that's going to be precipitate first. This
Yes,
is
sir.
I am sending H2S gas, okay, and it in
Okay.
presence of HCl, acetic medium. This is our basic
Okay.
point we are doing. So they will provide
What is
H2S.
the process of H2S?
H2S is the gas.
What is it used for? Like to precipitate
Uh,
the
Metal ions.
ions filled with
Metal
H2S?
ions. Metal ions. They are going to be precipitate
Okay.
like MnS, ZnS, like that. The
Okay.
form of metal sulfides. To get metal sulfides precipitate, I have to send HTS. Got it?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
And this HCl is the just acidic medium. In presence of acidic medium, they are going to be precipitate.
Okay, sir.
So even we have too many ions, the ions which one have Ksp is less, that is going to be precipitate first.
Yes, sir.
Lesser the Ksp means lesser the soluble, so that's going to be precipitate. That depends upon Ksp value.
Yes, sir.
So less Ksp means more precipitate, more
Yes,
PPT.
sir.
Easily they will form precipitate. So here they will
Yes.
provide all the data. HTS data they will provide, HCl value they will provide, and KSP of all these ions will provide. Then we are going to be solve it.
Okay, sir.
So how they are providing HTS? I am giving that one. HTS they will give dissociation constant. HTS gives rise H plus SH minus. This is Ka1. Then same thing they will provide SH minus gives rise H plus S minus 2. This is Ka2.
Yes, sir.
So we can adding these two equations. We can get by adding these two equations. H2S gives rise 2H plus ants plus S minus 2. Okay. If you're adding equations, nothing but equilibrium constant is going to be multiplied.
Yes, sir.
So I can get it here Ka1 into Ka2, nothing but new constant I am taking Ka, nothing but H plus square into S minus 2 by HTS. Okay.
So shouldn't it be H plus square?
Yes.
Okay.
And one more thing I am going to be analyze here. For you, maybe they can ask sulfide ions concentration if they're asking SH minus concentration intermediate also. Okay. At that time,
Okay, sir.
but not related to here, but still I'm asking. Which is the first step
Okay.
we are providing, that is the more number of H plus ions. Second step it going to be acts as common ion effect. That's why second step dissociation is very less. That is the reason Ka1 is very very high than Ka2.
Okay, sir.
I think so already.
Uh,
Hmm.
can you tell once again why, sir?
Because of common ion effect. First step that releases
Okay.
H plus ion. In that case, second step it can act as H plus is the common ion, means more H plus is present in the solution. Then this reaction occur backward reaction. Because product
Okay.
concentration increases means reaction can move backward only, no?
Okay, sir.
So then we'll get very less amount of dissociation, Ka2, very very less.
Okay, sir.
Because H plus concentration increases means product concentration increases, then that H plus
Yes.
combined with S2 minus ion,
Yes.
it can go backward direction.
Yes.
So how much H plus ion concentration is there? That's approximately equal to the SH minus concentration also.
Okay, sir.
So if we calculate H plus concentration, that's equal to SH minus, I can say what.
Okay, sir.
Okay, H plus concentration equal to SH minus. So we may can utilize this is later if requirement is there for you.
Okay, sir.
Fine. Now here Ka2 you can write here indirectly. What is the Ka2 expression from here?
Uh, H plus concentration into S minus 2 concentration divided by HS minus concentration.
S minus 2 karna? S correct. S minus 2 concentration by SH minus, no?
Yes, sir.
Ka2 we are writing Ka2 brought by reactant.
Yes, sir.
But almost both are same concentration means I will cancel these two. Now only
Yes,
given
sir.
na this one. Then
Yes, sir.
Ka2 nothing but S minus 2 concentration.
Yes, sir.
Ka2 value they will provide. Then you can take directly S minus 2 concentration.
Yes, sir.
That's very simple to calculate. So now I am going to be solve one thing, which is problem how they can ask that one based on this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, we can do one question. Right. Calculate the maximum possible concentration of. Calculate the maximum possible concentration of Mn2 plus in water that is saturated with Mn2 plus in water that is saturated with means they are sending, okay, saturated with H2S. Its
Okay.
concentration is H2S they given 0.1 m at 300 Kelvin
Okay, sir.
and maintain pH and maintain pH equal to 3 with
Okay,
HCl.
sir.
With HCl. The equilibrium constants of H2S they given Ka1, Ka2 values. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Ka1 of H2S this is equal to 9 to 10 power minus 8 and Ka2 equal to they given 1 into 10 power minus 12. Okay, and KSP they given KSP of MNS they provided 3 into 10 power minus 22. So this is the data they given. So by using this data, we have to calculate Mn2 plus concentration.
Okay, sir.
Here all the things you can see very simple. We can understand very easily. I'm explaining here again concept. This is the given Mn2 plus here solution.
Yes, sir.
They're asking concentration of Mn2 plus. They are sending H2S its zero point 0.1 concentration and HCl they maintain solution already pH equal to 3. pH equal to 3
Yes, sir.
means HCl concentration should be 10 power minus 3 H plus concentration.
Yes, sir.
You can keep in H plus concentration. Now here KSP equal to simple expression Mn2 plus into S minus 2. This only, okay.
Yes, sir.
We have to calculate sulfide ion concentration. If you know sulfide ion KSP they given, then I can find out Mn2 plus concentration.
Yes, sir.
So they are providing H2S dissociate gives rise to H plus ions plus sulfide ion. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Then I can write Ka equal to H plus square into S minus 2 by H2S. Can I write?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then Ka value nothing but Ka1 into Ka2.
Yes, sir.
So already I given that is Ka1 value how much they given approximately 10 power 9 to 10 power minus 8 na?
9 to 10 power minus 8.
Into Ka2 value 1 into 10 power minus 12
Yes, sir.
equal to H plus I can take from acid H plus which they are providing more H plus that is from medium 10 power
Okay, sir.
minus 3 whole square I can take H plus square na? Into
Yes, sir.
Sulfide and concentration, I don't know. That's only our target.
Okay, sir.
Then substitute here HTS, they given 0.1 only in the question.
Uh, of H2S, yes, sir.
By
Point
substituting this value, I can calculate
concentration point. Yes, sir.
sulfide and concentration. I will get it by substituting all the values.
Okay, sir.
I'm getting approximately 9 into 10 power minus 15. By solving this, is will get.
Okay, sir.
Then you can substitute here KSP equal to Mn2 plus into S minus 2.
Yes, sir.
KSP
KSP
value they
value
given 3 into
10 power minus 22.
uh, equal to Mn2 plus I don't know, but I know that one sulfide an. How much sulfide an? 9 into 10 power minus 15. Na?
Yes, sir.
By solving this, how much will get approximately Mn2 plus 3.33 into 10 to the power minus 8 can I get?
Yes, sir.
So what we done ultimately here? They done very simple. If this the solution is there, Mn solution, okay?
Yes, sir.
Mn2 plus, they passed that one HTS solution, that is zero point 0.1 concentration, and they maintained HCl, that is pH equal to 3. By using the sulfide H2S, I am going to calculate sulfide and concentration. HCl, this is the just medium. By using that one, I can calculate H plus concentration. Then I can get KSP expression. From that, I am substituting. Then Mn2 plus I am going to be calculate.
Yes, sir.
So this is actually advanced model question. This is.
Okay, sir.